Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL 1X, and today I will show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. So before I actually begin, I'll capture a couple of photos so I have something to actually transfer. As an example, there we go, that should be enough. So to start off, let's go into App Tray and open up the Downloads app right here. And from here you can tap on the 3 bars and you will have your SD card, and also should be there, your storage should be visible here, and if it's not, just slide this away and tap on the 3 dots right here and you'll have the option Show Internal Storage. So select that, and now if we go back, both of them are visible here. So number one, let's find the files that we want to transfer. So I believe mine are right here, but I will check it quickly, and it appears that I was wrong. Oops. So let's see on the SD card. Yep, so they look like they're automatically saved to the SD card. Now I'm gonna go back to right here because I have more folders in here, and I can go briefly over what will contain what. So number one, photos and videos captured with the device will always be located under the DCIM folder. Now this folder can be either on your phone or on the SD card, as you've seen in my case, but both of the folders will be named the exact same way, so you can find it in either place. Downloads will contain anything that you have downloaded on the device. That could be through your browser, email, it doesn't matter, it will always be in here. Then movies, music will contain stuff that you have placed there yourself, so you probably will know. Pictures contains normally screenshots, kind of counterintuitive, but that's kind of how it is on here. As you can see, there are screenshots, and basically that's about it. Anything else is just system files and stuff like that, so we don't really care about those. So from there, like I said, let's open up the files that we wish to transfer, which for me is actually on the SD card. And from here, as you can see, those are the 3 images that I captured as a basically example. So number one, you want to select them, and to select them, all you need to do is hold it. So as you can see, I'm gonna start holding it and then just get selected, and then you can tap on additional ones to add them on. Now, if you have a full folder of photos, you don't actually have to tap on each one of them. You can tap on, let's see, you can tap on right here, and you will see select all. So once you tap on it, it will also add the selfie folder, which I don't think has anything, but it selects it as well. So this is one way you could select all the files and copy or move them, or you can actually go back. So as you can see, this is the camera folder with all of its content. So you can actually select the folder itself with all of its content, but basically the same way. So hold the folder, it gets selected like so. And from there, no matter which way, what you selected, the process will be the same. So once you have the folder, files, whatever it is selected, tap on the 3 dots right here and choose either copy or move. Move will completely remove it from where it is right now and move it to a new location, while copy will just create an additional set of the same files and allow you to keep the ones that are right now over here. Basically they will stay, and you'll have a new set of those in a new location that you choose. So select whichever option you want. I'm gonna go with move, and from here, as you can see, it allows me to move. So I want to go, oops, let's do it again. I kind of cancel this, so move, and I want to go to the memory storage. So again, once you have this, tap on the 3 bars and select where you want to go. Now because I'm on an SD card, that's where the files are, I'm gonna move them to a phone. So let's tap on the phone, and here I could go to the DCIM folder and paste it right here to keep it organized. So you can see right now there's only the 100 and the Pro or PO or RO. Let's just move it right here, and this is the old one, and let's see, because it kind of became messy right now. So it looks like, yeah, the phone automatically created a new folder because that's its default location and it just needs that folder. But you can see that it's empty. Previously we had screenshot folder in here and the 3 pictures that I moved. So let's tap on here and go to the phone itself and DCIM, and you'll see that there is now a camera folder and 3 photos plus the selfie folder. So everything has been moved. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.